emissions by 32 million annually by lowering temperatures for washing clothes and dishes?
How do we prevent 241 million people annually from suffering from malaria?
How do we feed 7 billion people?
How do we decrease water use by the textile industry by 50%?
How do we make farming more earth-friendly?
How do we eliminate 78% of cervical cancer?
How do we cut the cost of inputs for producing nylon by 50%?
How do we ensure no child ever goes to bed hungry?
How do we shrink the waste from making vitamin B2 by 95%?
How do we reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 86%?
How do we stop chronic diseases from resulting in 7 out of 10 deaths every year?
How do we save 2.1 million people annually from dying of diarrheal diseases?
How do we reduce by 50% food crops in developing countries lost to pest and disease?
What is the biggest, most alarming challenge facing society today?
Is it how to feed 7 billion people and ensuring no child ever goes to bed hungry?
Or is it how to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and help stop human-induced climate change? Or is it how to help save lives by eliminating the threat of cancer, HIV, or other rare diseases?
Or is it a combination of all these things?
What about you personally? What's the biggest hurdle in your life?
Is it how to eat more healthily and live greener while saving money?
Or is it how to conserve energy and minimize your own carbon footprint?
Or maybe it's how to ensure your mother survives breast cancer.
We all face challenges each and every day. Some are personal and some are much grander in scale.
So how do we solve them? How do we tackle them? From the mundane, everyday problems to the bigger problems that define a generation.
These are the questions we ask ourselves every day. How do we live better, and what tools do we need?
Biotechnology has a long history of helping create a better, more sustainable way of life, and continues to provide tremendous value by leveraging cutting-edge technology to address looming challenges and help create a brighter future.
We've used biotechnology for thousands of years, and it continues to help improve the way we live and to live more responsibly. The diversity of its applications is nearly endless.
Biotechnology is all around us, helping solve problems and make useful products. We see it every day in our homes and workplaces, and everywhere in between.
We believe biotechnology has a central role in meeting these and other urgent challenges.